Before the world learned to trust a calm voice saying turn left in 200 meters, there was a woman doing mathematics so complex it barely allowed room for error. Her name was Gladys May West, and long before GPS lived inside phones and cars, it lived inside equations. Gladys West was born in 1930 in rural Virginia, where life revolved around farming and opportunity was limited, especially for a young black girl. From an early age, she understood that education was her only escape from a future already decided for her. She studied with intense focus, earning a scholarship to Virginia State College, where she excelled in mathematics at a time when women and African Americans were largely excluded from scientific fields. In 1956, she joined the U.S. Navy at the Naval Proving Ground in Dahlgren, Virginia. She was one of the few women and one of the very few black professionals in a space dominated by men. Computers then were massive machines that required exact calculations. Gladys West became a programmer and mathematician, working with early supercomputers to process satellite data and solve problems few people in the world were capable of handling. Gladys West's work centered on understanding the true shape of the Earth. The planet is not a perfect sphere, it bulges and flattens in complex ways. Accurately modeling this irregular shape was essential for satellites orbiting the Earth. West used satellite altimetry and advanced mathematics to calculate the Earth's geoid, producing models precise enough to allow satellites to determine exact positions on the planet. These calculations became a foundation for satellite navigation systems. Without this precision, GPS could not accurately tell location, distance, or direction. Though her work was critical, it remained largely behind the scenes for decades, uncelebrated and unknown to the public. Gladys West retired in 1998, years before GPS became an everyday necessity. Recognition finally came in 2018, when she was inducted into the U.S. Air Force Space and Missile Pioneers Hall of Fame. By then, her work had already shaped modern navigation, aviation, emergency response, and global communication. Gladys West did not build GPS alone, but her mathematics made it possible. Every route mapped and every location shared carries the quiet legacy of a woman whose brilliance helped the world find its way.